Hey everybody, it's Carolina Trailer Sales coming to you with a new used trailer we got in 2017 Shadow Plus Pack. I'll explain to you what that means. So a Plus Pack means you get a awning, an AC, outlets. It's done with all the RV standards. You've got the cord that goes with it. So it's kind of a neat little setup for maybe getting started with a weekender, a show horse trailer. It's really actually a kind of neat trailer. So this trailer 2017, it's in gray sheeting, has an escape door, drops on the head side. This trailer does have a ramp, folds up over the double back doors. This does have a swing out saddle rack. So, and that saddle rack does lock back in place and then lock out when you're say somewhere and need to get into your saddles. It's a rear collapsible tack. So it is fully lined and insulated, horse area, roof vents, does have a walk-through door, has a rear bus drop window, nice padded dividers. Last stall is telescopic, so you can actually move it in when you're loading horses. Trailer's immaculate, has absolutely no wear and tear. No kick places or anything like that. Head bumper actually on the back coming out. Nice padded bar. So as I said, this trailer has actually a bus drop window on the butt side. This is actually a 5.5 foot short wall, I do believe. So it's actually got a lot of good space. Here's your RV outlet. Nice trailer. It does have a couple of dings on this side where a lawnmower threw up gravel. Can point out those. They're just cosmetic, nothing concerning, but I did want to point that out. Let me spin around here. Again, it does have an awning.